Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi everyone, today we're going to make okra. So I have some fresh okra. I cut into small pieces. Now I have a little bit of oil, olive oil, to that little bit of asafoetida and cumin seed, and I'm going to add to it some onion, ginger, garlic. And once the onion, ginger, garlic is sauteed, then I'm going to add the okra and some spices. Pretty simple, can be done very quickly, 10-15 minutes. So let's get on with it. So I put a little bit salt and turmeric in my okra, and I have a little bit of oil here. So I'm going to saute this okra, and then I'll mix the onion, ginger, garlic fry and some spices. Right now I have salt and turmeric, and I'm just going to saute this one. So I'll just put a cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. Here's my okra with onion, ginger, garlic, and I added some salt and turmeric while cooking the okra. And at the end I added some vegetable masala and garam masala, and it looks really yummy, tastes even better. So this will go great with bread or rice, or you can just eat it by itself. But this is how you can cook tasty okra. You can actually, while cooking, you can add chopped tomatoes as well. I didn't add it, but you can add it. Yes, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.